welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I have here the month of December's Allure Beauty Box that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. We will dive into all of the products, do some swatches, and chat a bit about the value. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Okay, if you are new to my Allure Beauty Box unboxing, I do these every single month here on my channel. Allure is a monthly subscription service. We get a lot of skincare products in these boxes normally, some makeup products. They recently just upped the value on these as well as the price. So I've kind of been on the fence on where I'm feeling as far as this being a good value since they have upped the price. Last month I wasn't the most impressed, but it was still a good box. So I'm curious to see what they went ahead and sent over. This month I do receive these in PR, so I just want to mention that. They do send them to me for review, but I'm never like biased or anything. I always tell you guys how I feel about them. With my subscription box videos though, I always like to say that I literally used this eyebrow thing to just cut that open. Why? I don't know why I did that, but okay. Anyways, I was saying I always try to let you guys know with the subscription boxes because sometimes you can customize stuff, and since I do get them in PR, a lot of times with these kind of boxes I don't get to customize anything. Like with BoxyCharm, like they normally don't like give anything, they just send them to me. So I just like to mention that because I know sometimes you guys have the option if you are getting this to customize your items more. But anyways, let's dive into the box. So we have this little card right here. This is very pretty. I like the gold flakes. So this always has all of the info on the products, the prices on everything and everything like that. So first up, we have a product that I am familiar with. This is from Wonder Beauty. This is their Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is a really nice mascara. I like that it's in a tube. I actually really like this because it's easy to get the product out. And I also feel like if you heat this up, I know it sounds weird, but you can get all of the mascara out of here. This one, it actually does a really good job of lengthening your lashes like it says. So it does curl them, it lengthens them. It's a really nice mascara. I like the wand a lot as well. I didn't see it in this little card here, but I just looked it up and it does retail for $24. So that is a good value there already. That's the cost of the box. So one makeup product. I'm going to keep it going here with the next product. This is from Caudalie, and this is the Retinol Source Serum SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. And here is what that one looks like. It is going to be a small deluxe size. I have mentioned before, but in the Allure boxes, I feel like we get a lot of sample size items, deluxe size items, but with the new price increase, they have said that there was going to be more full size items. So kind of keep that in mind as we go along, but I've never tried this. I would be curious about it though. Let's go ahead and read a little bit about it. So it does say that this is lightweight. My skin looks glowy, feels bouncy. Looks like I've gotten 8 hours of sleep. So it always has in here like the editor and like why they love this product. So that's what I'm reading from. It does retail for $49 for the full size. Again, this is just a smaller amount. I would say you could probably get maybe 10 uses out of this. I feel like you could still get a decent amount of uses to kind of see what you think of the product. And then we have another smaller product here. This is from Cetaphil. Cetaphil, I think is how you say that. This is our Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. And it says nourishes to deeply replenish and skin's hydration. And again, just like a small little sample here. I do not also see the full price in here. There's just like this on the back. So I'm guessing this one isn't like a full part of the box. It's just like a little sample that they threw in there because they do have the talk about that one there on the back. So this is probably just like a little deluxe extra. Okay, next we have from La Roche-Posay, I think is how you say that one. This is their Retinol B3 Serum. And again, a little deluxe guy. I'm not super impressed yet because I feel like these are a lot of small products. And this is like a really small product. But this is a serum again, but it's a retinol. I know retinol can be a little bit pricey. So there's what that one looks like. And the full size. I feel like I didn't get like the right... Okay, here it is. I was like, maybe I didn't get the right thing here. This is $39. So it says made my skin noticeably brighter after week 3. So interesting. So I haven't tried a whole lot from that brand, but I've heard really good things about them from other like creators and also other people I've heard like recommending it. And then we got something here from Pixi. I feel like we've gotten quite a bit of Pixi in the box. So I want to say last month we got a product from Pixi as well. You guys can let me know down below, but I'm pretty sure if I look back at the last week's video, I think we got a Pixi product. So this one here is the Rose Oil Blend. This is a good product. I like Pixi as a brand. I feel like they have really good skincare products. It's not like an absolute favorite of mine, just from like personal preference. I don't love like the rose scent. So that one for me isn't something I like regularly put in my skincare, although I do like the fresh rose toner. That one I do like, but rose, for some reason, the scent just like, it doesn't do anything for me. So it's not something I absolutely love, but they do have nice serums. So I do think this one is a good thing to get in here. And the cost on this Pixie serum is not in here as well. What the heck? I feel like normally they're pretty good about like matching it, but in here there is a Murad Leave Me On Winter Mask. So this one is right here. Okay, I was thinking maybe this was what's supposed to be in its place, but I'll show you guys this really quickly. So this is a $45.85, and I think, I was gonna say it's a full size, but I don't, 40 ounces, yeah. So this is the cost of this one. So it's $45.85. It's a pH balanced Leave Me On Winter Mask. So protecting, moisturizing, also repairing, and nourishing, anti-aging. So here's what that one looks like. This is expensive for the amount of mask you would get in here, because I feel like this probably would only, like if you're putting it on your entire face, I mean, I don't know how many uses you'd get out of this one, like 3, maybe 4, depending on how much you would have to apply. So that's a pricey little mask there, but I will definitely try this one and see what I say. It's from Maskey. I've never heard of that brand, but that's one that I would be interested to try just because it is a little bit more pricey. And we have 2 more products in here, and we have a palette. Okay, I feel like we don't get palettes very often, so that's exciting. This is from Cetaphil London. And I will show you guys. I love littler palettes, so these like 9-pound palettes are something I enjoy. So here's what it looks like. This is cute. I don't know what this one is called. It just says 9-piece eyeshadow palette, so I don't think it has a name. But this one's cute. I like the colors. It's very like neutral. It kind of reminds me of like the Huda Beauty, her 9-pan palettes, like the Obsession palettes, just the packaging wise. So I'll go ahead and give you guys some swatches here so we can see all of the colors. Cetaphil London does have a nice formula when it comes to their eyeshadows. I have tried them in the past. And I think they're nice. I don't think they get like a ton of hype, but I think that they're actually pretty buttery, really smooth, and easy to work with. I'm trying to like give my hands some room here to swatch everything, but here are swatches of the palette. I think they did a good job with the color selection for this one, because it's very like warm, but you have a few cooler shimmers there. And I feel like it's a very wearable palette. Like I think a lot of people would like the tones in here and get use out of this one. I think it's really cute. I love, like I said, these smaller palettes. So that one is cool. I'm glad we got that. And the price on that one there is $24. So that's a pretty good value. And then we have just one more product, it looks like, left. And this one is a eyeliner. So this is from My Beauty Brands, times My Beauty Brands. And this is a black liquid liner. So go ahead and show it to you guys. So here's what it looks like, very finely tipped right there. And I'll go ahead. So it is a liquid. And here's a couple of swipes there of it right there. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the price on this one, because I think I saw it in here. Yes, I did. So it's $22 there. So, okay, let's go ahead and summarize what we got. So we got the liner, we got the Pixie full-size rose oil. We also got the eyeshadow palette here. We did get the mask, and we also got the full-size mascara. So that right there is 5 full-size products. And then we also got the 3 smaller products. We got the La Roche-Posay serum, and then we also got the other Caudalie serum, and then we also got the Deep Hydration Glow here as well. So I actually think this is a pretty good value. I was like kind of skeptical there in the beginning. I was like, ugh, the more like smaller products I pulled out, but with the palette and with that mask being so pricey, I do think that this is worth it for the value of the box. I think you're getting your money's worth, and I think it's a pretty good box. You got a lot of products in here. I like the palette. I'm excited about that one, and that mascara is one that I like, so I think you'd be pretty good if you wanted to grab this box from Allure. If you got something separate than me, let me know down in the comment section. I know they pretty much do some similar varieties, but they have a few different options you can get, so let me know what you got in your box. I'll have the link down below in case you want to go ahead and sign up there. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.